Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video, guys, we'll show you how to find the paint code for Mercedes. So as you know, we've been on that 2014 Mercedes C-Class, guys, and we got a new hood that we need to paint, new fenders, we'll be painting the bumper. Okay, we'll have the video how to fix that bumper as well. And we had to order some paint, of course, for the door as well. Right here you can see on the top. And let me show you, okay, where the paint codes are usually on Mercedes. When you open the door, guys, you have the black label, okay, right here. So that will be a very short video, but stay to see where else they could be. And usually, okay, this code right here, right next to the date, or it could be in the corner, this is the paint code. And I'm going to show you, okay, how to check for sure if that's your paint code. Stay with us until the end to see. I'm going to show you the website that I usually use, nothing sponsored here, but I always double check my stuff there. Another location, okay, if you open the hood of your vehicle, okay, you have a label with codes again. Okay, and usually the fourth one right here, 149, okay, that's our code here, you can see. Okay guys, so I'm on the computer now, and okay, I go to this website right here, Automotive Touch-Up, okay. That's the one that we use to order our paint and stuff, and okay, you can select here your vehicle. Okay, ours is a 2014 Mercedes. Okay, Mercedes-Benz, and it is a C-Class model. Okay, search. So let's see if we're going to find a 149 code and if it's actually white paint. Okay, check it out. 149 power white. Okay, right here. So that's definitely our paint, guys. Okay, right here. And you can see they have customers review if the people like the way they mix the Mercedes paint and all that stuff. Also, you can click on Mercedes-Benz examples and you can see where the code will be most likely. You can see it's the fourth digit on that code, on that plate under the hood. Okay, that code right here, the fourth one, and also by the door as well. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.